Hi guys, and welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. So today I'm feeling really tired and I just haven't got the brain capacity to sew anything intricate or that needs a little bit of brain power. So what I'm going to do today is sort out all my patterns. And if you're like me, you've probably got nowhere to store them. You don't know what's best. They end up just getting all ruffled up in a big mess. So today I am going to make some little wallets for them all and get them all put away nice and neat so I know where they are, and I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to do that, and then maybe that will give you some help as to how to store your patterns. I seriously don't know how I let them get into so much mess. And the sad thing is, I've got about 400 patterns. Nightmare. So 1 hour later, I have got a massive pile that I've done, and I've just used whatever lining I've got. So yeah, still got lots to do though. Right then, that's me done for now. I've got quite a few done, still got lots more to do. I hope that it's give you some inspiration for a nice, clean, easy, tidy and quick way of sorting all your patterns out, keeping them all safe and secure, and keeping them all where you need them when you want them. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tips like this. You can pop over to see me on Strawberry Vintage on YouTube, or you can pop over to strawberryvintage.com for vintage clothing. And I hope to see you again. Have a great day. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.